Hi, everyone. Welcome and welcome back to the Dawn Kitchen. Hopefully, you are doing good today. Guess what, guys? The Dawn is back in the kitchen to show you a quick and easy recipe. It is shrimp pasta. Hopefully, you enjoy it. But before I begin, if you are new here, hi, welcome. Please be sure to subscribe. Also, if you enjoy today's recipe, be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let's get started. And this meal, it's basically for 1 or 2 people. Here is a little pasta, probably about half a pound. The shrimp, like half pound. And with the shrimp, if you brought the shrimp that is not prepared, always devein it. Take the intestine out. The intestine always around there, the back here, but this shrimp is already prepared, so I don't have to devein it. And the shell is already off. It only have the tail on with the shell. Coconut milk, 1 cup of coconut milk. You can use a packed coconut milk. You can use the natural coconut and make your own milk, or you can use a tin coconut milk. 1 tablespoon of corn starch, 3 cloves of garlic, 1 ounce of cooking butter. Depending on the size, you can use 1 onion or half of an onion. Half teaspoon of paprika, half teaspoon of all-purpose powder seasoning, half cup of almond milk. You can use the whole milk, whatever milk you want to use. If you want to use a milk of cream, you can use that too. 1/4 teaspoon of cayenne pepper. The cayenne pepper is really hot, so you don't want to use a lot. And half teaspoon of Himalayan salt, or Himalayan salt, pronounce it for me, please. So that's why those pink stuff is in it. It's not the sea salt. You can use sea salt, whatever salt you choose to use. Half of a bell pepper. I'm using the red pepper. You can use the green, the yellow. You can use a combination. It doesn't matter, and it depends on the size. Also, some fresh parsley. And you're going to need a little cooking oil. Just combine all your dry ingredient in one, except the cornstarch, and set aside. For the garlic, just press on it, and it easily removes from the skin. And my garlic is already rinsed. Also the onion, sweet pepper, the parsley, everything already rinsed under cold water. The sweet pepper, cut in cubes. Onion, your garlic, you can always like this, and you chop as fine, but I'm using my compressor for the garlic. You have some boiling water on the fire for the pasta. I'm adding like half teaspoon of salt, and you're gonna pour the pasta in. Do not cover the pot. I mean, you give it a quick stir, and you're gonna let it boil like 10 minutes. You can just place a cover halfway, but pay close attention so it doesn't boil over in the fire. Look. The parsley, you're gonna roll and squeeze very tight. You're gonna cut the leaf them as fine as possible. Roll it like that in the beginning. So beautiful people, please be sure to like, share, and subscribe. I'm gonna remove the tail and the shell from the shrimp. You're gonna drain any excess water. You see all this water? Drain it from the shrimp. And pat dry. I'm gonna pour the powder seasoning over. Not all, half of the powder seasoning on it. I just want to coat them. We're gonna add the oil in. We're gonna add the shrimp in. We're just giving the shrimp 4 minutes. 4 minutes. Remove the shrimp. In the same pot with that oil, you're just gonna add the onion and your garlic. Garlic, and turn the fire on low. We're gonna stir this for like 2 minutes. After 2 minutes, remove. Drain any excess oil. To the same saucepan, you're gonna add butter. Also, the corn starch. The coconut milk. Gonna let this come to a rapid boil. Gonna add the sweet pepper. And the chopped parsley. You're gonna add the onion and the garlic back to this. Lower the fire and the remaining of the powder seasoning. Mix the side, mix everything so it can mix, combine together. I'm gonna go in with the shrimp. And a little of the almond milk. Let it come to a boil. The pasta is now ready. 10 minutes, you see how it's looking, it's cooked. Then remove it from the heat at this time. Just strain off the excess water from the pasta. Or you strain the pasta off. I also keep back some of the pasta water if in case I need it. Now you're gonna add your pasta to the sauce. I just want to give it like 2 minutes. And I'm going to sprinkle the rest of the parsley on. This is the rest of the parsley. Now turn the fire off. And now, beautiful people, our pasta, shrimp pasta is now ready for eating. Hey guys, ain't it looking delicious? I think you should give it a try. And please remember for sure to subscribe, like, and share, and hit the notification bell. So when D-Don is doing a video, you will be the first one to know. Beautiful people, I love you all, and thank you for watching D-Don Kitchen.